Hi, I'm Enda Cunningham from Tribune.ie, here with a look at some of the stories we've got for you in this week's Galway City Tribune. Our main story this week is that there has been a shocking rise in the number of children, teenagers and vulnerable young people wandering the streets of Galway in search of a place to sleep. That's according to Galway Simon community, who tell us that the age profile of those accessing their resettlement programmes has dropped considerably in the past 2 years. It's nearly half the people presenting for help now are aged between 18 and 25. City councillors who are opposed to the proposed city bypass project, which is now called the Galway City Transport Project, are hoping that a legal technicality could help them to stall the development. Their move dates back to a City Council meeting in November 2013 when they voted to allow Galway County Council to be the lead agency for the project. However, they now contend that the permission was for a project known as the Galway City Outer Bypass and not what's currently called the Galway City Transport Project. We have lots more coverage too on the bypass, which is continuing to prove one of the most contentious issues in the city in years. The president of NUI Galway has spoken of his regret at the terrible damage caused to the university's reputation by the debacle over its invasive occupational health questionnaire. Referring to the story broken by the Galway City Tribune last month, Dr. Jim Brown admitted in an interview this week that the matter was a PR disaster. The HSE have conceded they broke a promise to the people of Shantulla regarding the length of time public lands would be used to accommodate a helipad at the rear of UHG. The landing pad was supposed to be gone after 6 months, but it's still there 18 months on. As always, we have lots of photos from events around the city, including the Dominican College Fun Run and Walk in aid of the Saving Grace Fund, from the launch of the Galway and the Great War exhibition at the City Museum, from an exhibition of watercolours by Angeline Cook in aid of the Irish Kidney Association and the launch of the Organ Donor Awareness Week, and the Galway Solicitors Bar Association dinner to celebrate the appointment of Francis Comerford and John Hannon as Circuit Court judges. And in sport, Enda Cunningham says Galway will have to up their game for their National Hurling League clash with Waterford this Sunday. The footballers are also back in action this weekend in a vital league clash with Roscommon, while Connacht are in Pro 12 action against Munster in Thomond Park. So we've got all that and much more in this week's Galway City Tribune. We're in shops from early Friday morning or to buy online at connachttribune.ie. And don't forget, we now provide a daily morning news bulletin. That's through WhatsApp, and you can message us on WhatsApp the word news and your name to 087 398 8866.